guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the sum function in Google Sheets. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we have an expense report, so this is what we're going to use as an example for our sum function in Google Sheets. So as you can see here, all you have to do is add two denominations basically for this. So a sum function works like this. We place equals, sum, and the cells that accumulate to the number that we want to sum to. So as you can see here, we have 19 and 20. So basically you're going to enter G19 and G20. So here, as you can see, G19 and column G26 until G26. It applies up to G26 basically. So here we're going to place 9 and we're going to place 70. So basically it sums it up as quickly as possible, and it does that by summing up these cells that are under the formula name. So if you place 8 here, it's gonna add up. If you place 90 here, it's still gonna add up. So there you go guys, that is how you use the sum function in Google Sheets. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.